This is Coco's first Thanksgiving. He's eating turkey, oops, and he has cranberries and potatoes. Yummy. Hey, Coco. Hi, honey. In November 2008. Do you want your piece of turkey you dropped? There you go, honey. Uh-oh, are you doing that on purpose? Come on now. Oops, there we go. Hi, Coco. Coco, look at Mama. Look at Mommy. Hi, honey. Coco, can you whistle Jingle Bells? Oh, I can't even whistle. Can you whistle? Oh, you want your turkey. You're making a mess. He's making a mess all over the floor. But that's okay, I'll clean it up later. I just want Coco to enjoy his